Hello everyone! Today I will show you what I purchased from the Bead and Diva shop. These are lovely beads for my autumnal projects, and the picture of one of them I will show you at the end of this video. So let's begin with some pins. These are stainless steel ball pins and eye pins. Next will be these lovely bright orange wooden beads, which I plan to use for little pumpkins. Next are lovely iridescent purple 4mm bicone beads, attractive and sparkly. Yeah, these are lovely. Next, it will be 3mm pearlescent beads, lovely orange and yellow colors. Look, they're nice. Next, 6mm berry-like glass beads, brown reddish, maybe terracotta red, nice color. More berries, 4mm transparent glass beads. I think they will be good for holly berries. Next, matte finish glass beads in red and orange. Now look at these 4mm bicones. They shine like autumnal sun. Very beautiful. Good quality, look. These are nice. More treasures, around 4mm faceted beads in red and yellow. They look gorgeous. Yes. All these lovelies you can buy at Bead and Diva Devon Beach shop. I will leave the link and address in the description box below. And now, look, I will show you a lovely little pumpkin. And of course I will make a tutorial for this soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.